What's going on, everybody? In today's video we are going to be making the clickiest, clackiest keyboard to annoy anybody in your house ever. Let's get into it. So as for the keyboard, we're using the Drop and olkb pre-on keyboard V3 kit. I chose this kit because I can't case foam mod this and it is extremely echoey and loud. Huge thank you to Drop for sending this out and making this possible. And with our main stars of the show, we have kailh box white switches. They have a 1.8mm actuation, a 50 gram operating force, and a 55 gram bottom out force. As for the keycaps, these are XDA profile macaroons that will resonate nicely. Now we just got to clean off our workspace and get these switches popped in, keycaps on, and absolutely destroy our ears.
Been a long time without you. Been a long time without love. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, and all of those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Something I will say about the kailh box whites is they are on the better looking side of switches. Now we just need to throw on these chunky keycaps, and after that we will be diving into a sound test. Please turn down your audio because this is going to be loud. Now this thing is crazy loud. Honestly, if I had somebody in the other room right next to me, they would probably be able to hear me gaming or typing on this, no doubt. I really like the design of it. I kind of call it my candy bar board with the sweets printed on the keycaps, as well as the blue paint job I did on this case. It just reminds me of a piece of candy. And then throwing it over the top are these kailh box whites. These things are insanely loud. I've never tried jades before, but I have heard that kailh box whites are louder than jades. Do I recommend anybody getting this thing? Yeah, I mean, why not? If you have a bunch of linear switches and tactile switches already, you might as well get something super clicky and annoying just to have in your arsenal. And honestly, if you had a nice pair of headphones on and you can't really hear the clicking, they are very satisfying to click. I for sure recommend this. For the price of kailh box whites, you should do it. Okay, that seriously could be used for torture. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that like button and hit that sub, because there's a bunch more cool tech content coming your way and you are not going to want to miss out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.